Hi guys, today we're going to talk about two, and two. So two, and two are words that sound the same, but they have different spellings and different meanings. To can be a preposition, and it can mean in the direction of. So for example, we went to the movies is a preposition, in the direction of the movies. But it can also be an infinitive. Remember when you use the word to plus a verb, that it is an infinitive. I love to surf. That's an infinitive. TOO, it's an adverb, and it means also, rather, or excessively. We ate too much at dinner. If you can substitute in the word rather, we ate rather much. We ate too much at dinner. So think about substituting in the word rather, and you need TOO. And then TWO is the number 2. I would like 2 candy bars, please. So read the sentences. Each one needs a form of the word to. In the first sentence, have you traveled to Brazil? We would need the preposition form to, T-O. 2 friends of mine play the samba drum beats. So this would be the number 2. We write it out. I'm learning the samba beat 2. T-O-O. In this case, meaning also. That's it. There you have it. Get it right.